Welcome back to the Bishop School Pre-Primary Standard Junior KG. Children, today we will be doing English writing and teacher will also show you to do craft. But before we start with the lesson, let's recite a school prayer. So children, let's all stand in our places, join your hands, close your eyes and recite the school prayer. Children, please repeat the prayer after me. Almighty God, grant grace to the members of this school to be sincere in work, play and prayer, so that teachers and thought learning from each others may become more fit for thy service and the service of their fellows. Children, you may open your eyes and sit down. Children, open your capital letter book. Let's see in previous lesson what we had done. In previous lesson, teacher taught you to write capital letter M. You have done, children? Okay. Teacher also taught you to write capital letter N and capital letter O. You have done, children? Yes, children, you have written? Okay, very nice. Now turn the page, children. Take the next page. Today teacher is going to teach you to write capital letter P. Are you all ready with pencil and eraser? Okay, let's start. Okay, this is capital letter P. Capital letter P. P for peacock. Capital letter P. P for peacock. P for piano. P for piano. Okay, this is capital letter P. We have done small letter P. Today teacher is going to teach you capital letter P to write. You can see this is your classwork and this is your homework. This you have to write along with the teacher. Okay, let's start. Capital letter you should begin from red line to blue line. Okay, red line से चालू करने का blue line तक की. Write along with the teacher. Keep your pencil over here. Red line पे pencil रखो. Bring your pencil down. Make one standing line. You have done, children? अपने standing line किया? Okay, keep your pencil over here. Make a curve towards your right hand side and join your pencil to the blue line over here. Okay? Let's see. Standing line. Keep your pencil over here. Bring your pencil down. Make a curve right hand side and bring your pencil to the blue line over here in middle. Okay? See, once again teacher is going to show you. आपको क्या करना है? स्टैंडिंग लाइन करना है. रेड लाइन टू ब्लू लाइन. पेंसिल यहाँ रखना है. ऐसा कर्व बनाना है. राइट हैंड साइड में लेके आना है और यहाँ पर ज्वाइन करना है. दिस इज कॉल्ड कैपिटल लेटर पी. कैपिटल लेटर पी. यू हैव टू राइट फ्रॉम रेड लाइन टू ब्लू लाइन. ओके. कैपिटल लेटर ऑलवेज मस्ट बिगिन फ्रॉम द रेड लाइन. ओके, लुक हियर. स्टैंडिंग लाइन, रेड लाइन टू ब्लू line. Keep your pencil over here. Make a curve and join the pencil over here in the middle. Capital letter P. What this is called as? Capital letter P. P for peacock. P for peacock. Write with good handwriting, children. Write slowly and neatly. What this is called as? Capital letter P. Capital letter P. Okay, look over here. Red line to blue line, standing line. Keep a pencil over here. Turn your pencil, make a curve and bring your pencil here to the blue line. Capital letter P. Capital letter P. P for peacock. P for peacock. Capital letter P. Okay, look once again. Pencil यहाँ पर रखो red line पे. Okay, bring a pencil down. Make one standing line. Hold your pencil over here. Make a curve. Bring your pencil down to the blue line. ऐसा कर्व करके घुमा के पेंसिल लेके आने का इधर. ओके, वी हैव डन ऑलरेडी स्मॉल लेटर पी. दिस इज कॉल्ड कैपिटल लेटर पी. से एंड राइट चिल्ड्रेन अलॉन्ग विद द टीचर. ओके, ये अच्छे से लिखो. Okay, this is your homework. This you have to write later on. Capital letter P. Capital letter P. Capital letter P. Write slowly and neatly. Say and write. Okay, आपको बोल के लिखना है. What this is called as? Capital letter P. Capital letter P. Okay, you have done, children? Okay, your note tracing is there. So teacher will show you how to write. You can see this red line. Okay, keep your pencil over here. Make one standing line. ऐसे standing line करो. Then hold your pencil over here. यहाँ पर pencil रखो. Make a curve. Bring a pencil down here right hand side and join over here. Okay, capital letter P. It's very easy. You have done already small letter P. So this is capital letter P. Okay, write slowly and neatly. Say and write capital letter P. Capital letter P. Okay, write slowly and neatly. Capital letter P. Red line to blue line, one standing line. Keep your pencil over here. Make a curve towards right hand side and join your curve here to the blue line. Capital letter P. Capital letter P. Capital letter P. Okay, say and write. Write slowly and neatly. Capital letter P. Capital letter P. Capital letter P. Okay. This side is your classwork and this side is your homework. Now please pay attention. This is called capital letter Q. But this is wrong way. We don't follow this Q. Okay. Teacher will show you how to write Q. Children, now teacher will show you to write capital letter Q in your homework book. This is your English homework book. So please open your English homework book. We'll write capital letter Q in this book. Okay. So let's see in previous lesson what we had done. In previous lesson teacher taught you. टीचर ने क्या सिखाया आपको? 2 letter words. On, or. आपने किया था? Yes children, you have written? Okay. Of, ox. Of, ox. You have done children? Yes, you have written. आपने लिखा था? Okay. Teacher also showed you to write capital letter A to L in standing to write. You have done children? टीचर ने आपको सिखाया ना A to L capital letters how to write in standing. आपने लिखा? Okay. Now today teacher will show you capital letter Q to write. Okay. आपको इसी बुक में capital letter Q लिखने का है. So turn the page. Take the next page. Okay. आपको यहाँ लिखने का है. Write today's date. Make one sleeping line over here. Write today's date. Today's date is 10 December. So what you have to write? 10, 1 and 0. 10 dash 12 dash 20. Okay? आपको क्या लिखने का है? 10, 1 and 0, 10 dash 12 dash 20. Yes children, you have done? Okay. Now teacher will show you how to write capital letter Q. It's very easy and simple to write capital letter Q. You have already done capital letter O. आपने capital letter O किया है ना? The same way first you have to make capital letter O. Okay? Once you have done capital letter O, what you have to do? Keep your pencil over here. Take the pencil on top. Bring your pencil down and take the pencil out. Okay. Look once again. Red line to blue line. ऐसा करके capital letter O बनाना है. Now keep your pencil over here. Take the pencil on top little. Bring your pencil out. Okay. Capital letter Q. It's very simple and easy. First आपको capital letter O बनाना है. Keep your pencil over here. Take the pencil on top and bring the pencil out. Capital letter Q. Okay. Red line to blue line. If you join this. What you have to do? This is called capital letter Q. Okay. Look once again. Capital letter Q. First you have to write capital letter O. Now keep your pencil over here. Take your pencil on top. Bring your pencil down and slightly curve. ओके, ज़्यादा बड़ा कर्व नहीं बनाना है. लुक अगेन, कैपिटल लेटर ओ बनाना है. कीप ए पेंसिल ओवर हियर. टेक द पेंसिल ऑन टॉप, ब्रिंग ए पेंसिल आउट. कैपिटल लेटर क्यू. क्यू फॉर क्यू. वी स्टैंड इन अ क्यू. टीचर ने क्या सिखाया था? क्यू फॉर क्यू. वी स्टैंड इन अ क्यू. ओके, वंस अगेन सी कैपिटल लेटर क्यू, हाउ टू राइट. Take the pencil on top, bring the pencil down and then take your pencil out. Capital letter Q. Write slowly and neatly. Okay, it's very easy and simple. Now this side also you have to write. First write capital letter O. Then keep your pencil over here. Take the pencil on top, bring the pencil down and slightly curve करने का. Okay. Capital letter Q. Okay. Take the pencil on top, bring the pencil out. Capital letter Q. Capital letter Q. How to write capital letter Q? First you have to write capital letter O. Keep your pencil over here. Take the pencil on top. Bring the pencil out. Capital letter Q. First you have to make capital letter O. Keep your pencil over here. Take the pencil on top. Bring the pencil down. Then out. Capital letter Q. Capital letter Q. What this is called as? Capital letter Q. What this is known as? Capital letter Q. Say and write. Q for Q. We stand in a queue. Q for Q. We stand in a queue. Capital letter Q. Okay, write slowly and neatly. Write slowly and neatly. Red line to blue line. ऐसा कैपिटल लेटर O बनाना है. Then you have to keep the pencil over here. Take the pencil on top. Then bring the pencil out. Capital letter Q. Capital letter Q. Q for Q. We stand in a queue. Capital letter 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 Q. We stand in a queue. You are done, children. You have written capital letter Q. Okay. Now pay attention, children. Okay. If you write capital letter Q, then this way teacher will give you wrong. आपको इतना बड़ा बड़ा Q नहीं लिखने का है. Okay. You don't have to write this way. If you write this way, teacher will give you wrong. ऐसा बाहर नहीं निकालने का है. This is wrong. Okay. What you have to do? You have to make one capital letter O. ऐसा red line to blue line. Capital letter O. Then take the pencil on top. Bring the pencil down and slowly बाहर निकालने है pencil. Okay. Look once again. See once again. Red line to blue line. Red line to blue line. Capital letter O बनाना है. Bring a pencil down. ऐसा take the pencil on top and bring the pencil out. Capital letter Q. Okay. First you have to make capital letter O. Then keep your pencil over here. Take the pencil on top. Blue line तक ही नहीं लेके जाना है. ऐसा लेके जाओगे तो वो फिर आपका wrong हो जाएगा. Okay. This is the correct way to write. Okay. Look again. Once again. कैपिटल लेटर O बनाना है आपको. कीप योर पेंसिल ओवर हियर. लिटिल ये रेड एंड ब्लू लाइन के बीच में. टेक योर पेंसिल ऑन टॉप. ब्रिंग द पेंसिल आउट. ओके. कैपिटल लेटर Q. दिस इज द करेक्ट वे टू राइट. कैपिटल लेटर Q. Q फॉर Q. कीप योर पेंसिल ओवर हियर. टेक द पेंसिल ऑन टॉप. ब्रिंग द पेंसिल आउट. कैपिटल लेटर Q. कैपिटल लेटर Q. कीप योर पेंसिल ओवर हियर. टेक द पेंसिल ऑन टॉप. ब्रिंग द पेंसिल आउट. Okay. Once again. First you have to make capital letter O. Keep your pencil over here. Take the pencil on top. Bring the pencil down. Then out. This is the correct way to write. Okay. Please don't do this way. ऐसा बड़ा बड़ा नहीं लिखने का है आपको. Okay. This teacher will give you wrong. और ऐसा भी नहीं लिखने का है. This is a wrong way of Q. We don't follow this Q. आपको Q ऐसा लिखने का है. टीचर ने अभी आपको बताया ना. ओके. वी आर डन फॉर टुडे. पेरेंट्स प्लीज पे अटेंशन. इन जूनियर KG वी हैव ड्राइंग एंड क्राफ्ट. वी हैव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड विद ड्राइंग. वी हैव डन द फर्स्ट टॉपिक इन ड्राइंग. If you have not purchased the drawing book, then kindly purchase the drawing book. We have done the first topic in drawing, that is square. Today we are going to start with craft. Teacher is going to show a tulip flower. So children, are you all excited? Yes, to learn tulip flower? Then let's start. So children, this is called tulip flower. What this is called as tulip flower. So we'll start with craft paper today. So you have to take one craft paper. This is your craft paper. So teacher will show you how to make folds. Okay. For tulip flower you need to fold the craft paper into half. हाफ फोल्ड करना है. ओके आपको क्राफ्ट पेपर हाफ फोल्ड करना है ट्राइंगल शेप में. ऐसा ट्राइंगल शेप में आपको फोल्ड करना है. You can see children, this is the triangle shape. Okay, once you get the triangle shape, the pointed part you have to keep on top. पॉइंटेड पार्ट आपको ऊपर रखने का है, ऐसा नहीं रखने का है. ओके ये पॉइंटेड पार्ट आपको ऊपर रखने का है. द पॉइंटेड पार्ट यू हैव टू कीप ऑन टॉप. ओके डाउन यू कैन सी दिस स्ट्रेट स्लीपिंग लाइन. यस चिल्ड्रेन, यस चिल्ड्रेन. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू कीप योर फिंगर इन मिडल. ओके यहाँ पर ऐसे मिडल में आपको फिंगर रखने का है. Now what you have to do, you can see this right hand side corner. ये आपको right hand side का ये fold करना है ऊपर की तरफ. Okay, once you have done right hand side, left hand side का भी पेपर आपको ये corner आपको fold करके ऊपर लेना है. Okay, done. It's very simple. This is called your tulip flower. Then you have to press neatly. आपको press करना है neatly. This is called tulip flower. What this is known as? Tulip flower. Okay, teacher will show you once again. Okay, this is your craft paper. You have to fold it into half. You have to make triangle shape. आपको ऐसा fold करना है. Okay, once you get this triangle shape, what you have to do? This pointed part you have to keep on top. ये जो pointed part है आपको ऊपर रखने का है. You can see this line. ये नीचे आना चाहिए. आपको ऐसा ऊपर नहीं रखने का है. This part should not be down. This part should be on top. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to keep your finger over here. This right hand, ये right का दिख रहा है आपको ये corner part. This corner part you have to take on top. Okay. Once you are done with right hand side, you have to take the left side part also on top. Okay. ये left का corner है, ये भी आपको ऊपर लेना है this way. Okay, you are done children. You have to press neatly. आपको अच्छे से press करना है. बस you are done with the tulip flower. This is called tulip flower. What this is called as? Tulip flower. टीचर ने आज आपको क्या सिखाया? Tulip flower. Okay? This is tulip flower. We have made a tulip flower out of craft paper. So keep practicing tulip flower at home children. Thank you parents. Thank you children for taking the efforts. Bye. Take care.